It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? I know it starts with M. Look back at our seasons and months resource. I heard some of you say we are in March. If you knew that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. And what number comes after 6, mathematicians? Well, think when you're counting. 5, 6, 7. I heard some of you look back at our 100 chart. We'll start on the 6. Hop 1, hop, and the number after is indeed 7. We are on March 7th, 2025. Let's put this on the calendar. And what day of the week are we on today? Do you know? It starts with F. Look back at our days of the week resource and find the day of the week that starts with the letter F. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you see it? It starts with the letter F, like F at the beginning. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, here it is. Friday. Today is Friday. If today is Friday, then what was yesterday? The day before Friday is Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. If yesterday's Thursday and today is Friday, then what's tomorrow? The day after Friday is Saturday. Did you know that? Tomorrow will be Saturday. And do you recall the season we are in? Well, I noticed some clues behind the balloons. What's the name of the season? I heard some of you in class say it. It is winter. Now, trivia question. When do we switch officially to spring? Do you know? Well, traditionally on March 21st, but for this year in 2025, we'll be switching on March 20th. If you knew that, great job. All right, describe the weather for today in Northern Virginia. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. What do you think? Oh, it's definitely going to be starting off cloudy, and then it will be switching to sunny later around 11 o'clock a.m. High for today around 53 degrees Fahrenheit. And the low for today is about 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we did have some colder feeling temperatures because of the wind gusts. So this morning, it felt like it was about 22 to 24 degrees Fahrenheit between 5 and 5:40 a.m. So for today, even though it's a high of 53, low of 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature will feel colder than that at times because of the wind gusts. Now, do you think it's hot, cold, warm, or cool? Well, there'll be times during the day that it feels cool, and there'll be times when some people may think it feels cold, especially if it's the temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. However, with wind gusts, if it feels colder than that later this evening, they'll definitely feel cold, just like this morning when it felt much colder than it was. All right, how many days have we been in school? I know that yesterday was 114. What comes after this number, mathematicians? Well, think when you're counting 114, 115. I heard you. Let's go ahead and check our hundreds chart out. Remember, mathematicians always use resources, and the hundreds chart is an excellent one to use. Let's start on the 14. Hop 1, hop. The number after is 15. Let's put a 100 in front of it. Get ready to say this number before we put it on our place value chart. Are you ready? Okay, say it with me. 115. We have 100, 110, and 5 ones. We're going to get one counting rod to add to the ones pocket and then start with our 100. How many hundreds? 100. Get the 100 in your brain. Say 100. We'll put the 100 back. And move on to the tens. We have 110. You got that in your brain? 110. Now, let's move on to the ones and put the 5 ones with that 110. Did you keep it in your brain? 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. My goodness, so many days learning together in kindergarten. Let's do another tally mark. Skywrite with me. I mean, go ahead. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do a diagonal cross for 5. And now, for the first time this school year, let's skip count by 5s. Dun, 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 dun. 23 times. Use your finger to point. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Ba-bam! 105, 110, 115 days learning together in kindergarten. Let's write the date. You need something to write on and something to write with. Starting with your uppercase letter M. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Let's write the date and then read it out loud. Ready? Capital letter M. A-R-C-H spells March. Finger space, write the number 7. Comma, finger space, the year is 2025. Third month, 7th day. The year's 2025. Write it and read it on this happy Friday, March 7th, 2025. Over and out.